Okay, I also want you to learn this arpeggio pattern. I think it will help you for your finger exercise. Okay, stuff like this. That's in the key of F. Okay. Okay. So mi, fa, re, mi, do. Okay. So mi, fa, re, mi, do. Okay. So mi, fa, re, mi, do. Re, ti, do, la, ti, sol. Re, ti, do, la, ti, sol. Okay. La, 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 fa, sol, la, fa, sol, la, re, la, fa, sol, mi, la, re. Okay. Mi, mi, do, re, si, do, la, ti. Mi, do, re, ti, do, la, ti. Okay. Okay. So if you keep practicing that, work on that, work on that, work on that, your finger will get used to the fretboard. And you can also do that in the key of F. You can work it down in other keys like D. E. You can work that in different keys. You can work that in different keys, and you see the result at the end of the day. Your finger will get used to the fretboard. Okay? Alright. Everybody don't understand, hit me up, mister. Okay?